Welcome everyone to today's video of Tech It's Simple. Hey there, it's our professionals. We're looking at how to log into the People HR website. Just watch this complete tutorial video on how to log into the website. First, go to your Google Chrome and search for People HR Login. Here, you can see the People HR official website link. Click on this link, and you will be redirected to the official page of People HR. At the right top corner, you can see the login option. Click on this button. You can see a login button over there also. Click on this button as well. Here, you have to enter or insert your email address in order to create a URL from which you can directly log into the People HR. Just enter your email address and submit it. As you can see, there is a message showing that the URL is sent to the respective email address. Now, go to the URL and log into the People HR website. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.